time is running out. Rising greenhouse gas emissions are raising our sea levels, threatening our climate, disrupting our food systems, eroding our lands, contaminating our water. We need a new sustainability approach now if we are to get to net zero emissions by 2050. With the virtual twin, we can. The virtual twin is an exact digital representation of our physical world. With it, we can imagine, design, and test anything. From cars to cities, even to human hearts, for a more sustainable tomorrow. Here's how 5 companies have done it. With the virtual twin, construction companies are building low-carbon autonomous housing that consumes up to 70% less water and produces up to 40% less household waste. This is made possible by virtually engineering airflow, energy use, and recycling methods. With virtual twin prototyping, Amcor plc engineered plastic bottles that were stronger, more protective, and lighter by 50%. They slashed PET resin use by over 100 million pounds annually, equal to over 3,500 trash trucks. The faster engineers can detect and solve issues, the less physical prototypes they need. The virtual twin allowed NEO engineers around the world to work together in rapid testing and development in real time. As a result, they launched their ES8 electric vehicle in 3 years instead of 5. Sanofi's facility, enabled by the virtual twin, produced medicines in less time for twice the number of people, while cutting chemical use by 94%, slashing energy consumption by 80%, and reducing 321 tons of waste every year. Circularize paved the way for better e-waste management. Using the virtual twin, they captured end-to-end information on product material content and flow, and made this critical data easily available to recyclers via a QR code. The virtual twin is the single greatest enabler to accelerate you towards your sustainability goals. Learn more here.